We did the majority of the fighting. We did the
There's one thing Robert Kennedy knows for sure. When he talks to men who do the real work in this country, he's talking with people who aren't afraid of new challenges. They're a strong breed and judge a man by their own standard of independence.
I think beyond that, I think we should bring it back to the people themselves. We want less government control, not more government control. That's why I say for the answer to the cities, I don't think it's just more federal programs so much as giving...
This could be the year when Nebraska plays a decisive role in the history of the United States. For if you believe, with Kennedy, that we must do better than we have done, that there is no substitute for peace in our cities, no alternative to wisdom in our foreign affairs, then this is the year and Nebraska the place where history will be made.
It's a new generation of Americans. We have different problems that we have to deal with.
Kennedy for president. Nebraska can make the difference.